Hello friends, this is Shweta and today we are going to create 3D walls on this particular AutoCAD file. This is the layout that I am having and we are going to convert this plan into 3D. So first let's start. First I'm just saving this file 3D. Okay, so now I'm going to use this plan for creating the 3D model. So this is the ground floor plan and I'm going to convert this ground floor 2D plan into 3D. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase whatever the extra attributes that I'm having. So I'm just deleting those things and I'm putting the entire thing into a layer. So I'm creating another layer and I'm giving the name 2D plan, and I'm selecting the entire layout and I'm giving this into a layer that is called 2D plan. Okay, so now I'm going to create another layer that is wall, and okay, the wall is already, so 3D wall, let's give the name 3D wall, and let's give this color. So now I'm going to select the layer this 3D wall is there. Okay, so now let's start making the wall. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking the polyline option, sorry. So I'm taking polyline option and I would be selecting the walls. Just created this line, I have joined this line, this one, and I'm just drawing according to the shape of the wall. All the exterior and interior wall I'm including, as well as I'm including the columns as well. I'm giving the column shapes as well. So now you can see like we have got a closed figure, and now I'm going to use extrude command to extrude this polyline and to give it a wall shape. So I'm taking extrude command and giving the height 3000. Okay, tool, and I'm taking the isometric view. So now you can see visual style, I'm giving it a 3D realistic visual style. Yeah, so you can see like the 3D walls have been created. So there is one more wall which we had skipped at that time. So again I'm going to top view, I'm taking top view, and the portion which I had left, now I'm going to create that portion. So this this particular wall. So again I'm going to take polyline option, and then let's draw the shape. So now you can see like I'm unable to select the polyline. So what I will do, I will just hide this layer 2D plan, and now I can select this polyline, and again I will use extrude command and will give the height 3000. So now you can see like the walls have been created. Now if you you will find like the walls are of 3000 height, and the door areas have been remained. I did not created wall on the door heights, on the door areas. So like door would be of, if say 2100 height, then there should be wall over the doors, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the walls which are going to be on the top of the door, okay, above the door, the walls which are going to be. So what I copy edges there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all the edges, like this one, this one, this one. Okay, that's of different object, that is different object. So this one, this one, and if anyone is left, yeah, this one. So I'm going to select all the edges at one go, press enter key, then take this base point, and then just keep the ortho on, and I'm giving the height 900. So now you can see like there is one edge over here. So this edge has been placed at 900 from top. So now I'm going to take press pull command, and I'm going to select these faces, and I'm going to join till this edge. Okay, so for this one as well, till this edge. Where there is one, this for this one also till this edge. This one also till this edge. I think I did not copy for this door. Okay, I'm taking orbit command, and I'm just rotating this face. Again press pull. This one till this face. So now if I see the realistic view, if I take the realistic view, then you can find like that walls are there above the door area. So this one was left. So again take the orbit command, rotate the screen, taking the 2D wireframe, and I'm using copy edge again. So this is the copy edge, sorry. So again take this base point, and height will be 900. Again press pull, this one till this face. So now you can see the walls have been created. So our outer and interior inner walls are ready. So in the next video I will show how to create the gapping, for how to make space for windows and how to create doors. Okay, so in next video I'm going to show that. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.